It smells good. Sorry guys, I love a liquid squeeze. List oils 10. Oh, it smells wintergreeny. I love it. Hey Dee. Wintergreen makes this one so jiggly. Oh my gosh, look at this, guys. I feel like I finally figured out how to squeeze that one. And I love it. I feel like I haven't seen Lori live in a bit. Oh, Ash, I was literally just standing here solely thinking about how good this smells. Like dead ass. Oh my god, Tied Me Down is such a cute username. Hey Emma! Is that V? Hey V! Welcome in, guys. If you're new, hit follow. Sit back, relax, enjoy. Oh my gosh, that wintergreen just chef's kiss. Hey, baby. Thanks, baby. Looks like blue paint. Hey Trey. Hey, Matt. I don't know if I have a purple fab. I think we used my purple fab in my last live. You got it. Oh, I got the puzzle. Okay, wait, hold on, I can't see what I'm doing. If you don't have one of these, you need it. Oh my God, it made this sponge so juicy. Sponge surgeon. Yeah, the stylus is game changer. Thank you, T. Hi, Squeeze Please. Thank you for the gifts. Squeeze Please's lives have been killer. Okay. Could do this forever. Hey, Bubbly. Okay, we have no more laundry going in. If anyone wants to add, I have large, medium, small Romas. I have Ariel and Ariel Downy and more Foca. I'm glad it's relaxing. That is why we are here. Hi, Ari. And the Foca 7. I try to make it easy by getting things with like similar pricing, so it's not like 7,000 numbers. Oh no, Ari, I was just saying that I saw something at the thrift store I took a picture of to send to you. It was just a sign that looked like the way you make your sponges. I was like, Ari, hello? Yeah, don't come for Foca. She'll come for you. That's my woman. Sponge is thick. Ariel Roma Foca. Thank you, my love. Hi, Cat. Kit Kat. Oh my god, this is so juicy. I know, Rachel. It's crazy. I was supposed to go to Coachella too, but the plans fell through today. So now I'll be around even more. It is a big mess, basically. Well, the wintergreen is making the sponges massive. Thank you to Mama. Okay, let me grab everyone's powder now before I forgetty. Oh my god, this one I can barely like get my thumbs around. It's so big. I love it. I do. I have